Forget luck, forget timing. The rich follow a system. In this video, you'll discover 22 unconventional principles that can turn your mindset and your money into a wealth-building machine. This isn't about saving tips or quick hacks. It's about rewiring how you think about success. These are the same frameworks the top 1% use quietly, while the rest stay stuck in theory. Welcome to the blueprint for accelerated wealth. Are you ready to begin? 1. Operate in stealth mode. In an era of constant sharing, there's immense power in keeping your ambitions to yourself. Publicly announcing your goals can often trigger a wave of outside opinions, skepticism, and unnecessary pressure that can derail your focus. Instead, cultivate a private space for your ambitions to grow. Direct all your energy into tangible action. Let the final outcome, your undeniable success, be the only announcement you make. This quiet dedication builds an unshakable foundation for achievement. 2. Guard your time and energy fiercely. As you build your foundation, it's essential to become protective of your two most precious resources, time and mental energy. This isn't about being unkind. It's about strategic prioritization. Learn to decline invitations and requests that don't serve your core mission. By establishing these boundaries, you ensure that your resources are invested in activities that yield the highest return for your future. Remember, you must fill your own cup first before you can pour into others. 3. Adopt a learn and apply cycle. Knowledge is only potential. It becomes power the moment it is applied. Avoid the trap of analysis paralysis, where you feel you must know everything before you begin. The most profound learning happens through doing. Absorb the fundamentals, then take the leap. You will make mistakes, but each one is a data point that guides your next, more informed move. Embrace this cycle of action, feedback, and adjustment for rapid growth. 4. Cultivate your value to attract your desires. The universe operates on a principle of value exchange. To attract the wealth and success you desire, you must first become a person of immense value. This means developing rare skills, solving complex problems, and making a genuine impact. Shift your focus from "what can I get" to "what can I become and contribute?" When you elevate your own worth, you naturally become deserving of the rewards that follow. 5. The power of a singular focus. In a culture that celebrates multitasking, deep focus work is your superpower. Consider dedicating a significant, uninterrupted period, say 6 months, to a single, pivotal goal. During this deep work phase, minimize distractions and pour all your creative energy into this one objective. This concentrated effort will produce results that scattered attention never could, teaching you the incredible leverage of pure focus. 6. Secure your financial foundation first. Before you can fully explore other life pursuits, it's wise to build a solid financial base. Make the pursuit of financial literacy and stability a non-negotiable priority. Learn how money works, how to invest it, and how to make it work for you. This foundation isn't about materialism. It's about creating the freedom and security that allow you to pursue a meaningful life on your own terms. 7. Convert doubt into rocket fuel. There will be moments when you want to quit. In those times, use the memory of doubters, whether real or imagined, as a powerful motivator. Let the thought of their skepticism ignite your determination. This isn't about holding a grudge. It's about channeling external negativity into an internal fire that pushes you to prove what's possible. Let your success be the most powerful response. 8. View stuck as a growth signal. Feeling stagnant isn't a sign of failure. It's a signal from your potential that you've stopped stretching your limits. When you feel stuck, it's a cue to seek a new challenge, learn a new skill, or push beyond your current comfort zone. This discomfort is the precursor to a new level of growth. Welcome it as a sign that a breakthrough is near. 9. Master the art of incremental progress. Massive success is built through a series of small, consistent steps. Resist the urge to skip ahead or seek a shortcut. Like a master chess player, think strategically and focus on making the very best move available to you right now. Each step, no matter how small, builds momentum and compounds over time, carrying you steadily toward your ultimate vision. 10. Develop a problem solver's mindset. Before you seek external rescue, exhaust your own resourcefulness. When faced with a challenge, make a committed effort to find the solution yourself. Research, experiment, and tinker. This process, even if it doesn't immediately solve the problem, builds critical thinking skills and resilience. The competence and confidence you gain from solving your own problems are invaluable assets. 11. Reframe failure as data collection. Detach your identity from your outcomes. Every attempt that doesn't yield the desired result is not a failure. It's an experiment that provided valuable data. Analyze what happened, learn the lesson, and apply it to your next attempt. The most successful people have a long list of learning experiences that ultimately guided them to the right path. 12. Build a strategic circle of influence. Your network is indeed your net worth. Move beyond casual connections and intentionally build relationships with people who inspire, challenge, and elevate your thinking. Seek out mentors, collaborators, and peers who are on a similar path of growth. Focus on how you can add value to them, creating a powerful, mutually beneficial ecosystem of support and opportunity. 13. Your greatest asset is you. The highest return investment you will ever make is in your own development. Dedicate time and resources to acquiring new knowledge, honing your skills, and maintaining your physical and mental health. Unlike external investments, the value you build within yourself can never be taken away and compounds over your entire lifetime. 14. Create multiple pipelines of income. Financial resilience comes from diversity. Relying on a single source of income is a high-risk strategy. Actively work to build additional streams, whether through a side business, investments, digital products, or other ventures. This not only protects you from volatility, but also dramatically accelerates your wealth-building capacity. 15. Anchor yourself with gratitude. Ambition and appreciation are not opposites. They are partners. Cultivate a daily practice of acknowledging what you already have. This shifts your mindset from one of scarcity to one of abundance, which in turn attracts more opportunities. Be thankful for your progress, your health, and your lessons. This positive energy is a magnet for success. 16. Treat your health as non-negotiable capital. Wealth is meaningless without the health to enjoy it. Your energy, focus, and longevity are the engines of your success. Prioritize sleep, nutrition, movement, and mental peace. View these not as luxuries, but as essential maintenance for your most important financial instrument, your body and mind. 17. Chart your course with precision. A ship without destination wanders aimlessly. Define your financial and life goals with crystal clarity. Instead of "I want to be rich," specify I will generate X amount from Y sources by Z date. This specificity transforms a vague wish into a measurable target, allowing you to create a concrete action plan and track your progress. 18. Commit to the long game. Wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Embrace patience and unwavering consistency. Reject the lure of get-rich-quick schemes and focus on executing your well-planned strategy day after day. Small, disciplined actions, repeated over time, create results that appear magical to others, but are simply the outcome of your steadfast commitment. 19. Practice intentional spending. Financial freedom is less about what you earn and more about what you keep. Cultivate the habit of spending significantly less than you earn. This isn't about deprivation. It's about making conscious choices that align with your long-term vision. The gap between your income and expenses is the capital you use to build your future. 20. Be an adaptable pioneer. The landscape of opportunity is constantly shifting. Embrace change as your ally rather than resisting it. Stay curious, continuously learn, and be willing to pivot your strategies when necessary. The ability to adapt is a critical competitive advantage in a rapidly evolving world. 21. Keep your vision vivid. Never let the practicalities of life extinguish your dreams. Your vision for the future is the compass that guides your daily actions. Regularly revisit and vividly imagine your desired future. This practice renews your motivation and ensures you are always building toward a life that truly excites you. 22nd, fall in love with the process. The destination is important, but the person you become on the journey is the real reward. Find joy in the daily work, the learning, and the growth. Before any task, ask yourself, how can I perform this to the best of my ability and find satisfaction in the act itself? When you enjoy the process, success becomes a natural and fulfilling byproduct. There you have it, 22 principles to not only build wealth, but to build a life of purpose and capability. Your journey is unique, and it starts with the decision to apply these ideas today. Remember, the goal isn't just to reach a financial finish line. It's to evolve into the person capable of creating and sustaining that reality. Now, go build.